Good morning, good afternoon, welcome. I'm Simon Dai from Huawei Enterprise Business Group. I'd like to extend a warm welcome to all of our customers, partners, media friends, and industry colleagues for joining us today. It is my pleasure to introduce Huawei's Smart Classroom solution. In particular, I will introduce the solution from perspective of the current situation of education, its role in regular and hybrid teachings, and how it facilitates group discussing. When creating solutions tailored to the education field, we discussed the main problems of conventional teachings that teachers and schools most frequently encountered. Those problems mainly cover prolonged teachings and course preparations, minimal student-teachers interactions, boring learning content, and inadequate evaluation of teaching methods. We believe that the future teaching should be built on 6 characters: ubiquitous learning, interactive learning, heuristic teachings, personalized teachings, online learning, and group learning. How can we implement smart teachings and learnings? Our digital classroom solution provides interactive courseware editing tool to streamline the creation of the new content. Teachers can now collaborate with each other to prepare a course and share resources on the cloud, and importantly, material with just one click. This also facilitating online preview of lessons and self-testing questions for students before class. The ideal hub board is an indispensable teaching tool for local regular teaching. We partner with SBS software to provide powerful writing capability and supports multiple types of pens, colors, and even simultaneous writing by 2 or 3 persons. It can intelligently identify the text and the images, including the shape correction, and supports 34 languages. The whiteboard provides a wide range of teaching tools, such as text splitting, voice recognition, voice recording, and graphic searching engines, makes perfect for any learning environment. Besides electronic whiteboard, during class, a range of the tools can be used to implement interactive teachings, simulating the students' interest and enlivening the class atmosphere. Together, the solution facilitating courseware demonstration, in-class testing, voting, and class observation. Analysis on classroom the data offers comprehensive and in-depth evaluation of students' learning situation, help quantify the classroom performance, and refine teaching's efficiency. In those examples, show the class performance reports with interaction analysis between the teachers and the students. The weight-based assessment policy to quantify students' performance and the hierarchical administration capability of the reporting tool. The Smart Classroom solution is perfect to run on the Huawei cloud, but can also be deployed on third-party public clouds. The platform allows users to access class through the various types of the endpoints for the remote teaching, sharing, and scheduling, as well as the whiteboarding, bidirectional, and audio-vision collaborations. This breaks the barrier of the space, allow the people to connect anytime, anywhere, and from any device. for immersive distant learning teaching environment for teachers and students. The collaborative teachings and learnings is a major trend in today's education space. The lower part pictures is a typical setting of the collaborative classroom setting. We support the dual-screen interactive teaching. Specifically, do PPTs on the same screen, do PPT link each other's, and the PPT plus whiteboarding scenario. The group interactive teaching, multi-screen interactive teachings, and group discussing. The group screen and the endpoint device can be projected to the large screen for presentation and discussing. The split screen comparison is also supported. The system is also integrated with in-class testing, voting, and class observation tool to effectively facilitating collaborative teachings and learning. This is a summary overview of the Huawei Smart Classroom solutions, with Huawei Ideal Board Edge as the core. The solutions combines device with teaching applications and platform, offering smart, streamlined library of the teaching practice and functions. The solution can facilitate regular class, group discussing, and remote teaching. Because of the problems associated with conventional teaching environment, such as harm from the chalk dust and the poor quality of the remote teaching, our solution proposes a safe teaching environment built on the key points, boardless teachings, simplifies effective applications, and diverse content. At Huawei, our vision is to bring the digital to every enterprise, home, and individual. And with the smart classroom solution, this extends to the bring digital to every classroom for flexible teaching and high quality learning. Ideal Board Edge is an education template that integrates a soft-like eye comfort, smart whiteboarding, and a multimedia linkage for the inclusive teaching. It is a perfect choice for schools looking to promote group discussing, remote interactions, teaching, and publicity. A major issue for teachers is repeated, time-consuming writing on the blackboard. That is why we introduced the electronic blackboard, which is retain the teacher's handwritten notes in electronic form for easy reuse and after-class review. This is not only reduce the teacher's workload, but also free the students from taking notes in class, allowing students to focus on the content. For example, the originally handwritings on the blackboard can be recorded and displayed on the large screen in electronic text format automatically. One can scan the QR code to quickly take away the handwritten notes during or after class. So let's watch a short video of the Huawei Smart Classroom solutions.
Built based on the Huawei Idea Hub product series, the Huawei Hybrid Learning Classroom solution breathes life into education. Simple and efficient. Convenient teaching applications, integration with third-party applications, and comprehensive dynamic course data analysis make it easy for teachers to use. Abundant and diverse, personalized courseware, and a range of randomly generated questions provide high-quality learning resources for every student. Healthy and comfortable. 4K soft light screen and optical anti-blue light protection certified by TUV Rhineland protects children's eyes, while the 35 millisecond ultra-low writing latency allows teachers to write with ease. Anytime and anywhere. Open architecture and multiple endpoints and software access supported by the International Standardized Protocol enable every classroom to join the course and enjoy 1080p 30 frames per second projection. Simple and efficient, abundant and diverse, healthy and comfortable, anytime and anywhere. This is the Huawei Hybrid Learning Classroom Solution.
So, I would like to conclude the presentation with a couple case sharing. Suzhou University adapts the Huawei Ideal Hub to run the 360 degrees classroom. This, as the name suggested, offers this 360 degrees experience for remote interactive teachings, regular recording, the group discussing, and live teaching in 6 major categories of the subjects they are offering. Another example is powered by the Huawei Ideal Hub. The Kazimierzyk University in Poland adapts the smart classroom solutions to innovate the local teachings and implement remote teaching. Huawei Ideal Hub integrates various powerful functions such as intelligent handwriting recognition, HD video conference, and wireless sharing, helping the university become the leader of the innovative teachings in the region. Thank you very much for listening. Next, let's move on to the Huawei Smart Classroom Solution live demo.
Hello everyone. Welcome to Huawei Hybrid Learning Classroom. This is Lisa. In this class, we're gonna have both online and offline students. And here is the interface of the online learning software. In the beginning, let me share the screen to the online students. As you see, here's the menu. I can move it by using gestures. By clicking here, I can share the screen. Today, we are going to look at the Asian tradition of papermaking. Of course, paper is now made in factories, but centuries ago, it was handmade by craftspeople. Most of us probably don't know what this process looked like, but the practice still lives on today. So let's look at how it was made. I just need to drag the text to the search bar and click search to have a lot of results. And now I'm going to drag one of them to the canvas. As you can see, there are many stages in the process. Let me annotate on the picture to make it much clearer. If I want to play back my annotations, I can simply click this button. And now we can see the steps in the process. Let's see if everyone's up to speed. I've prepared a question for you, and I'll invite some participants to answer the questions. As you can see, 3 people can write simultaneously on the screen. Now let's switch to the online classroom. One interactive tool that's great for engagement is the quiz. First, let me set up the responder. So the responder is here. So the first question, what's the first material used to create paper? Hemp, papyrus, or wood? Let's start. So Anna, would you like to tell us your choice?
A. Hemp fiber.
Congratulations! So the very first paper is made of hemp fiber. Before the next question, let's go to watch a video first. Yes. So, which step is it in the process of paper making? Let's start. So, Mikita, would you like to tell us your answer?
My answer is B. Mixed out.
Congratulations! It is right. This is the process of mixing the fibers in the frame, and then it will be taken to dry to become the final paper. The quiz tool also allows students to answer questions by drawing or writing. We'll use this function to answer the last question. Have you ever tried making paper by hand before? I will set a timer for 10 seconds and open the blackboard for you to write the answer. So the timer and the blackboard where you can draw. So let's get started. Time's up! Whoa! Lauren had made paper before, so let's ask her to share her story with us.
Sure. I really quite enjoyed it. I did it in South Korea when I was traveling. And at the end, you get a really nice rustic piece of paper, which was a great souvenir to take home with me.
Well, thank you. And that's all for today's class. I hope you enjoyed it. This concludes our demo of the Huawei Hybrid Learning solution that brings a more engaging and interactive learning experience to classrooms everywhere. Thank you.